Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to build this Lego cuckoo clock, perfect for your minifigures home. You'll need a blue Technic half pin piece, a tap piece, a yellow minifigure hand, a short bar with a clip, a Lego Pirate epaulette, a red 2x2 plate, a dark tan 1x2 plate with a slot on the side, a 1x2 brick with a Technic hole, and two 1x1 slopes. So to build the clock parts of your cuckoo clock, you will need your 1x2 brick and your 1x1 plate with the slot on one side, and you place that on top. Next, you take your 2x2 plate, stack that on top of there, and your two cheese wedges, and place them here and here. And you take your short bar with the clip and attach it to this cylinder at the bottom. And you have the clock part for your cuckoo clock. And now all that's left to build is the cuckoo itself. So for that, you take your blue Technic half pin and your epaulette and place them here. You then take your tap piece and slide that through there. And you take your minifigure hand and place that there. So you now have the cuckoo flying out. And you can stick that in the hole in the clock, and you have your Lego cuckoo clock. And to attach it to walls of Lego houses and buildings, you just take the back with the 1x2 space and clip it in. And that is how to build a Lego cuckoo clock.